Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to install or download XAMPP in your Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will go to our Google Chrome browser, or you can choose any of your favorite browser and come over the search option and search for XAMPP and then click on it. So here you will get a XAMPP server over here called www.apachefriends.org. Click on the first link, and after that here you will get a couple of options to download XAMPP. If you're in Windows, then you can click on Windows, and if you're in Linux, then click on Linux, and if you're in Mac, you need to click on Mac. So I am using Windows, so click on Windows, and after that some times later, just click on this link and your download will start shortly. So here you can see the download is started over here. So it will take 1 minute. For that, I will first start the video. So here you can see the XAMPP is downloaded right now. After downloaded, we will click on it 2 times and minimize it. And here you can see the installation setup need to permission. So click on yes. So here you can see there is installation process. Just click on OK here. And after that, here you will get a setup interface for XAMPP. Click on next. And after that, here you will get a lot of component. So you don't need to worry about, just click on next. And after that, if you want to change the XAMPP file, you can, but I will leave it as random and click next. And after that, select your preferable language. There is only 2 languages, Dutch and English. So I'm clicking on English and then click next. And after that, setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Here we can see. So click next. And here you can see the XAMPP is installing right now. So for now, I will fast forward the video. You can see the XAMPP setup wizard is completed right now. After completing it, click on finish. And after that, here will show the XAMPP control panel. So without wasting any time, just click all Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat. So basically you need to start all over the module over here. So by this here you can download the XAMPP in your Windows operating system. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.